wants to eat me. He's been staring at me, waiting for me to bring out food. Look, like the real trash that I am. I had to make coffee at home and bring it. And from this thing that I had catered at Rutgers, I have all these Starbucks cups, so I pretend, I went to Starbucks even though I made it in my own kitchen. Okay.
What? I'm sorry.
Yeah, Anthony just threw a bunch of sand all over me. And then he's sorry. I'm not even in a bathing suit. He just put sand all over my back. Very nice.